In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access video settings in Discord step by step. If you want to make sure the correct camera is selected, or you just need to adjust your webcam settings before joining a call or going live, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. It's quick, simple, and once you know where to go, you can change your Discord video settings in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Discord in your browser or launch the Discord desktop app on your computer. If you're using the desktop app, make sure it finishes loading properly before moving on. Next, sign in to your Discord account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside Discord, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your username, and right beside it, there's a small gear icon. This gear icon is the shortcut to your user settings, and that's where all of your audio and video options are located. Click the gear icon to open user settings. After the settings menu opens, look at the left sidebar. From there, click Voice and Video. This is the section where Discord keeps your microphone, speaker, and camera settings. It's the main place you want to go if you need to troubleshoot your webcam, switch devices, or simply confirm that Discord is using the right hardware. Once you click Voice and Video, scroll down through the page until you reach the Video Settings section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little bit to find it, but it should be clearly labeled. Inside this section, you'll see the camera option. Under Camera, click the drop-down menu and select the webcam you want to use. If you have more than one camera connected, this is where you can choose the one you prefer, whether it's a built-in laptop camera or an external webcam. After selecting your camera, Discord should begin using that device for video calls and streams. If the preview appears correctly, that means your video settings are set up properly. If not, you can go back and choose a different camera from the list. This is a good place to double-check everything before joining a video chat, because selecting the wrong camera is one of the most common issues people run into. And that's it. You now know how to access video settings in Discord and choose the webcam you want to use. If this helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.